In this video I'll show you how to
Suzuki
fold
Sx4.
your rear seats of your Suzuki Sx4. So go on the back seats over here. Make sure your front seats are pushed forward so there's enough space for the backrest to fold. You're going to find this latch on each corner, pull on it until you see the color red, and then bring the back seat just like that with your hand. Same thing on the other side. It can be done from the trunk if you're there and you just want to have more space. So push on that latch and then push on the back seat. Now some models you'll be able to push these seats in vertical so you can fold them even more. Usually there's a small cord that is sticking out over here on each side that you need to pull on it and then push on the seats, but this model does not have such feature, and maybe yours does not have it either. So yeah, this is just a small bonus tip over here. Just pull on that cord and then push the seats. They will fold vertically. But otherwise, this is about it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.